Imagine a world where data management is effortless and you can focus on what's important, growing your business. That world is now a reality with TallyPrime 4.0's new Excel import function. Whether you're a business owner or an employee or a tax expert, TallyPrime 4.0 makes it easy to get the data you need into the system you use. Now you can easily import your e-commerce transaction data directly from Excel. Already have your own format for recording data? No problem. TallyPrime 4.0's Excel import function can handle any format. Just map the Excel columns to the Tally fields, and you're done. Even if you're using other accounting software, you can still import your data into TallyPrime 4.0 using Excel imports. This is perfect if you're switching to TallyPrime or if you have branches that use different accounting software. Just share the data in Excel and it can be imported to TallyPrime seamlessly. Not just owners, chartered accountants can benefit from it too. Just ask your clients to use the Tally provided templates or create your own custom format for them to record their data.